Hello everybody, how you getting on? It's John Anderson here, a dairy farmer from Pomeroy, County Tyrone. I was just going to take us through a bit today about heifer rearing and just about a wee bit about what we do. But firstly, to start off with, we're dairy farming 100 Holstein cows, mostly autumn calving, 70% before Christmas, 30% after Christmas. And father's at home full time, and myself and my brother part-time at home. So that's to start off with, innit? So generally try to rear about 30 replacements every year, and around that 25-35 sort of number. Working solely with sex semen. So as soon as we get in around that 30 in calf, everything else to the beef bull, and calves are sold. So our Frisian heifers are kept on the farm. Everything else is sold off at about 2-3 weeks old. And there's really only in the last sort of 3-4 years, I'd say we've maybe end up with 2 or 3 Frisian bulls. So happy we've went this way. It's very beneficial to our farm that we're not kind of keeping very unvaluable stock and selling cattle at 20 and 30 quid. So we thought it very beneficial. Conception rates generally in around 60-70% with cows and heifers. All the heifer calves are born here kind of September, October, just for ease of management. Kind of push hard calving around that stage. These are still growing animals, so it's vitally important to keep managing your grass with these girls and keeping the growth going. We have cut the meal since they were about 2 months in calf, so they're just kind of relying on good quality grass, and there's no point grazing long grass and lying on top of it. If we can keep them grazing good quality grass. This was reseeded in the back end of last year, so we'll stay on this for a few days and move on around the rotation.